another crazy tutorial and with another comment and with another request. Like, just look what I get request. Sir, can you show that the tutorial of that how to make open world game in UE5 and you can make parts? So look, brother, this comment is going to what I can say, like, you know that the open world game, creating open world game is not easy. Okay, like, yeah, we you can use templates, you can use lots of stuff, and even you can go or you can do some similar like that, but creating open world game, there's a lots of mechanisms. If I give you some example, like you need creating the exam, like you need npcs. So with that, you need only not only just need npcs, you need a advanced level npcs who can basically go random location, we can fight with each other, who can basically talk, we can fight with you. Okay, we can basically thief some vehicles or do some crime.
For Get My Paid course, you can visit my Udemy account. There's a lots of tutorial available. Also, if you want to play my game, you can check that on Steam, App Store and Google Play Store. Also, we have now the Discord channel, so you can join there and do lots of fun and etc more. Also, for get more information for our about video, you can check our website. Also, you can get my paid asset and plugins in Epic marketplaces. Link in the description link below.
Okay, or which npcs just basically save some human life or do some police and do like the postman or traffic system and do lots of stuff or do some business. So that is called the open world npcs. The second you need the vehicle system, like the npcs vehicle or the npcs traffic system, what we call in Unreal, like the vehicle traffic system. And then third, you need the basically massive level map. Okay, even if you can use a short map, doesn't matter, but that's not called a open world game, because a open world game can be user will be express a very large world with a very large level with tons of stuff, feature, other stuff. Okay, and at the last, you need a good level story, you need a good level, a good concept of your game, like which specific place you'll be basically creating your game, like on sequence, or okay, like, yeah, I will be just watch this mountain, or it's looking very good and I'll be adding my game like that. Okay, so in the open world game, there's a lot of work, and it's not easy to do, because it can take tons of time, and which I don't have right now at current stage. And second, there's a lot of work. Okay, and it's not too easy to do also, and even it's not possible for a single person. Yep, it's possible for a single person. If you have tons of money, you can hire some worker, or even you can buy the templates and just seriously just try to understand, guys. I don't have that enough money to buy like templates, and there's a lot of, but we can go some similar like that. So don't worry, if I have time in future, I must try to do. Okay, so that's all. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye. See you in the next tutorial video.
For Get My Paid course, you can visit my Udemy account. There's a lots of tutorial available. Also, if you want to play my game, you can check that on Steam, App Store and Google Play Store. Also, we have now the Discord channel, so you can join there and do lots of fun and etc more. Also, for get more information for our about video, you can check our website. Also, you can get my paid asset and plugins in Epic marketplaces. Link in the description link below.